Hello everyone. I'm Kyar Vardwaj. You're watching Font of English Education. This is the sixth session of noun and fourth part of noun and number. In the very last part, that was the third part of noun and number, we learned some material noun and uncountable nouns. Okay, that don't follow an and a and an, and S and ES is not written at the end of the noun. As you know, a material noun and an uncountable nouns cannot be formed plural, cannot be made plural by adding S and ES, and they don't take a and an article. And like gold, sugar, paper, furniture, jewelry, information, advice, views, etc. etc. And I also gave you an overview of nouns, some nouns that are treated singular and plural, both. Singular when they are treated as an adjective, plural when they are treated as a noun, like 1, 5, 10 million, hundred, thousands, etc. etc. Like 2 dozens banana, incorrect. Dozens of bananas, correct. 5 dozen bananas, correct. We can't say 5 dozens banana, it's incorrect. We have to say only 5 dozen bananas. 10 dozens, it's a correct phrase. If you haven't watched that video, go to playlist, go to the description and watch. Link has been given in the description. Today in this session we are gonna learn some foreign nouns which are formed plural, in a different way, not generally. As you know, some nouns generally we make plural noun by adding s and es at the end of the noun, but these are foreign nouns, okay, which are formed plural in a different way. We will learn step by step. Some of the foreign nouns which and um, this is the first slide. Some of the foreign nouns which and um are formed plural by changing um into a. Guys, point to be noted: u and a to j, a into a. Podium, um at the end of the noun. There are many nouns. These are foreign nouns. These are not English words. That's why they follow different rules. Guys, point to be noted. They have, okay, these nouns have different rules. Patrons, addendum, addenda, agendum, agenda. Addendum means you can say additional, extra, additional. Suppose you have written a book, you have finished a book, and some important points have been missed by you. So you want to write. So you will write at the end of the book. So that is called addenda. These points, important points, no additional, whatever you have written at the end of the books, that is called addenda. Addendum singular or addenda plural. Agendum, agenda. Guys, point to be noted: agendum singular, agenda plural. Um plural, a, agenda. We have to remove um and write a in place of um. Agenda means a list of items to be discussed at a formal meeting. That is called agenda. Agendum singular, agenda plural. Datum, data, very well about it. These are very formal one, daily uses word. Datum, data, it's not data, it's data. Correct pronunciation is data. Datum, data. Medium, media. Podium, podia. Stadium, stadia. These are daily uses words. These are common words. Stadium, stadia. Stadium means, stage. We can say stage. When we talk about bacteria is singular. Bacterium is singular, bacteria is plural. There are two bacteria, not bacterium. There is a bacterium, not a bacteria. Okay, bacteria is plural, bacterium is singular. Ovum means a mature female reproductive cell. Ova singular, ova plural. Dictum and dicta. Dictum means, guys, you can say dictum, a short statement which expresses general truth or principle. That means dictum plural, dicta. Curriculum, Curricula. Guys, point to be noted here. Curriculum and curriculums can be formed, can be written. Guys, point to be noted. We can form this noun plural by adding s at the end of the noun. Guys, curriculum and curricula and curriculums, both the patterns are correct. When we talk about memoranda, memorandum singular, memoranda plural. It's memorable. Maxim, maxima singular. Maxim, maximum. I'm so sorry. Maximum singular, maxima plural. Minimum singular, minima plural. Guys, point to be noted. I repeat, these words were taken from foreign language. These are not English words. That's why these nouns follow different pattern. They are not these are not formed plural by adding s and es at the end of the noun. Addendum, addenda, agendum, agenda, datum, data, medium, media, podium, podia, stadium, stadia, bacterium, bacteria, bacterium singular, bacteria plural, ovum singular, ova plural, dictum singular, dicta plural, curriculum singular, curricula plural या curriculums plural, memorandum singular, memoranda plural, maximum singular, maxima plural, minimum singular, minima plural. Guys, point to be noted over here. Agendum, datum, medium and bacterium. Guys, point to be noted, these are treated nowadays singular and plural both. We can say agenda singular and plural, data for singular and plural, media for singular and plural, bacteria for singular and plural. We can use nowadays, these can be treated both singular and plural. Agenda, data, media and bacteria, these four nouns. Point to be noted, don't be confused with when you find agenda. Agenda is, what is the agenda? What is the agenda? It's correct. Nowadays, these nouns are treated singular and plural both. Okay, let me write in the next slide something. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Some of the foreign nouns which end with us are formed plural by changing us into I. Guys, point to be noted, these are Latin words. These are not English words. These words were taken from Latin language. That's why these nouns follow different pattern. Cactus ends with us is formed plural by removing us, by changing us into I. Cacti, cactus, cacti, focus, foci. Guys, point of, we can't say foxes. We can't form these nouns plural by adding an additional s and es at the end of the noun. Focus, es, foxes, no, foci. Radius, radii. What is the meaning of radius? These words are very common words. You know very well about it. Radius means a straight line from the circle of the circumstance of circle. Guys, point to be noted. So this is a circle and this line, straight line, it is called radius. This is a radius. Radii, two lines. Radii, singular, radius, plural, radii. Slavus, singular, syllabi, plural. We can't say slaves. Okay, fungus. You know very well about fungus. Fungi is plural. Fungus singular, fungi plural. Okay, louse. Louse means, do you know what is the meaning of? A small insect which lives on the body of human and animal. Guys, point to be noted, humans and animals, people and or animal. Lice plural. Mouse, mice. Mouse singular, mice plural. You know very well about it. Guys, point to be noted, we can't add s at the end of the noun to form plural. No, we have to use mic. We remove us and use I in place of us. Okay, alumnus and alumni. What is the meaning of alumnus? Alumnus are male former students. alumnus of formal male students of a college and school and college. So it's plural alumni. When we talk about alumna are female formal student of a school or a college. Guys, point to note, it's plural alumni. But nowadays for both gender, female and male gender, for both students, boys and girls, we use alumni plural nowadays. But point to be noted, alumnus is used for a formal student, male student, or formal male student. When we talk about alumna, or formal female student, alumni can be used for both singular and plural, male and female, for boys and girls, plural. Nowadays it is used both. Alumna, I repeat, alumnus of formal male student of a school or college, alumna of female formal student of a school or a college. I hope you understood. These words were taken from Latin language. That's why these nouns follow different pattern. I hope you understood. In the next slide, we will see some more nouns that are formed plural by adding E in place of I. Some of the foreign nouns which end with IX, IS are formed plural by changing IX, IS into ES. These are Greek words. These are not English words. These words were taken from Greek language. First, axis, access, not accesses. We can't add additional S and ES at the end of the noun to form plural. We have to remove I and write E in place of I, okay, to form plural. Axis means an imaginary line about which a body rotates. Second, crisis singular, crisis plural. Index, guys, point to be noted, index can be formed plural indexes and indices. Both are index and indices. Both the ways are correct. You can form plural index, indexes and indexes. Parentheses. Guys, point to be noted, these are parentheses. These are parentheses. Brackets are different. Curly brackets, round brackets. We can say round bracket or parentheses. These are parentheses. Singular parentheses and thesis and plural thesis. When we talk about hypothesis and hypothesis. Singular hypothesis, plural hypothesis. Basis and basis. Basis means foundation. You can say foundation. Basis. When we talk about oasis, guys, what is the meaning of this? It means a fertile land of desert where water is found. That is called oasis, a fertile land, a fertile area of desert where water is found. That is oasis, singular, and oasis, plural. Analysis, singular, analysis, plural. SES, plural, SIS, singular. Diagnosis, singular, diagnosis, plural, diagnosis. Guys, point to be noted, these words were taken from Greek language. That's why these words follow different patterns. Generally we formed a noun plural by adding S and ES at the end of the word. But here these are different. Latin is different. Greek words are different. We learned 3 types of words. 3 types of words, 3 ways to form plural. Different ways. I hope you have found this session helpful. If you have found this session helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have fun.